The Santiagos were among thousands of residents of western New York whose Christmas holidays were disrupted, sometimes perilously, by the enormous storm that left 4 feet of snow in Buffalo before moving south Sunday. Even in a region known for fierce winter weather, the blizzard left Buffalo especially paralyzed, with rescue workers themselves stranded in ambulances and other emergency vehicles across the city. The death toll across Erie and Niagara counties rose to 17 on Sunday, and officials said that tally was likely to rise. In Erie, the youngest victim was 26, the oldest was 93. State emergency responders have assisted in nearly 500 rescues, including helping to deliver a baby, officials said Sunday evening. County officials put out a call for volunteers to help, and a request that they provide their own snowmobiles. Buffalo Niagara International Airport announced it would be shut down until Tuesday morning, and thousands of customers across the region remained without power and heat.
The snow's literally drifted like 4 feet against the door.
Western New York bore the brunt of the holiday storm, but other parts of the country were also dealing with downed power lines and bitter cold that scrambled travel plans. More than 3,000 flights were canceled, and there were over 9,500 delays reported Sunday, according to FlightAware.com, which tracks airline schedules. Power was out for tens of thousands of customers from Appalachia to Maine. In Buffalo, with professional rescuers slow to arrive, and shelters often unreachable, residents improvised. A restaurant became a hotel, bunking stranded people atop the bar. Doctors and nurses interrupted Christmas celebrations to make house calls. A couple took in a busload of Korean tourists who cooked Christmas Eve dinner. A tow truck driver helped deliver life-saving medicine. Blizzard Facebook groups popped up overnight, with stranded residents begging for help. More than one family sought out a midwife to coach a pregnant woman through labor. Christopher Pulinski put out a call for help reuniting with his 17-year-old son, stuck home alone in the neighborhood of Elmwood Village. A stranger with a snowmobile replied that he was on his way. On Christmas morning, Chris Giardina, 43, who owns Jardy's Towing and Recovery in Buffalo, received an urgent call from a woman stuck in a snowbank in the middle of a median along Main Street in front of Sisters of Charity Hospital, where she had just picked up insulin for her husband.
This is insane. This is just right in the middle of the road.
Snow squall warnings are in effect for parts of southern Ontario, including areas that were already hard hit by blizzard conditions over the past few days. Environment Canada is warning of up to 30 additional cm of snow for parts of Niagara Falls, Welland and southern Niagara Region by Tuesday afternoon. Snow squalls over Lake Erie are moving northward toward southern portions of the Niagara Peninsula, the weather agency said. Snow squalls are expected through the day Monday and into Tuesday afternoon before moving south of the area. Along the shoreline of Lake Erie, 30 centimeters is possible along with blowing snow due to winds gusting near 60 kilometers per hour, the weather agency said. The region has already faced blizzard conditions over the past few days, leading to widespread road closures. On Saturday, emergency alerts were also issued for Fort Erie and Port Colborne, advising people to stay off the roads due to poor conditions. Also under snow squall warnings, with up to 50 centimeters possibly by Tuesday afternoon, according to Environment Canada.